According to the 2016 Department of Economic Security's annual homeless report, the largest population of individuals experiencing homelessness in Arizona are in the urban community of Phoenix and Maricopa County. Maria Cruz is a homeless woman whose days consist of waking up in the morning and being on the move.
It's hard. I mean, my routine is just like stay, go back and forth wherever I go, and I make sure I call my family sometime once in a while. I make sure they're okay and stuff like that.
Maria receives help when she can and has gone multiple times to a ministry called You Matter Ministry.
You Matter Ministry holds events to help the homeless every Saturday morning and Tuesday evening.
You Matter Ministry is a Christian ministry located at Our Father's House on 30th Avenue in Van Buren. This ministry helps the homeless by providing food on Saturdays and Tuesdays. Pastor Richard Smith said they also provide those in need with bus passes, toiletries, clothing, and blankets, but that is not all the help that the homeless can get.
We have to try to get them into a good rehab, and we also help them with financial needs for like getting a job.
There are many places and programs like You Matter Ministry that have a goal to helping the homeless. Maria also tries helping those around her by being like a mentor.
I try to help them. I've been trying to help them. I give them advice to people, and you can tell him, I tell him, you know what, you guys shouldn't be stealing. You guys should be doing those things. If you guys are doing those, you guys need to stop.
The Arizona Plan to End Homelessness is looking to prevent and end homelessness for families, youth, and children by 2020. Aramita Zepeda reporting.